Stories of former athletes suffering with brain problems directly attributed to head trauma and multiple concussions come up every month. Documentaries and movies paint the vivid pictures of exactly how these brain injuries occur and how they affect athletes, their families, and even their quality of life. Researchers who studied the brains of former athletes have shared an unwelcome message about the consequences of repetitive head trauma. Scientists insisted that proper recovery protocols be put into place to protect the thoughts, memory, and emotions of individuals who suffer from a concussion. Hello, I'm Dr. Shay Ridge, and chiropractic plays a significant role in providing concussion relief and recovery without the use of powerful drugs. I grew up watching Jim McMahon as he played quarterback for the Chicago Bears in the 1980s. He began suffering with severe depression, migraines, memory loss, and chronic fatigue after retiring from the NFL. McMahon's story surfaced on ESPN and documented his dark days, confined to a few rooms in his home after no longer being able to deal with most daily activities. McMahon's desire for relief finally brought him to the right chiropractors. He discovered his first adjustment as feeling like someone flushed the pressure and gunk that had been clogging his brain. McMahon continued receiving adjustments over and over for the next few weeks and months and began to feel a return to normalcy. Professional athletes make up a small percentage of people who deal with concussions. Nearly 500,000 children endure brain trauma annually, and nearly 4 million people were diagnosed with a concussion in 2012. The fastest growing rate of concussion diagnosis involves middle school children. A 2014 study states that all post-concussion patients should undergo a spine and posture exam following a traumatic brain incident. A 2015 study showed that traditional chiropractic management of post-concussive syndrome patients resulted in rapid and sustained improvement in signs and symptoms that allowed athletes to return to full competition. Parents and athletes should be aware of some basic statistics linked to these concussions. Women's sports account for 6 of the 10 sports most likely to generate concussions. High school athletes experience more concussions than college athletes. A third of concussions occur in practice settings. 70% of these athletes attempt to play with a concussion, and almost half do not tell their coach. Concussions directly contribute to muscle and ligament damage in the head and neck. Concussions will continue to be a part of all contact sports, and proactive instruction and recovery practices play an essential role in keeping athletics safe for all participants. Chiropractic addresses some of the underlying causes that create post-concussion symptoms. If you or a loved one has experienced a concussion, I'd like to invite you to experience chiropractic care in our office. You can call or visit our website to learn more and take advantage of our new patient special. Concussions are serious business, and they need serious care.